showing off the SVGU 3.0. Where are you right now, Robert?
Watching you.
I'm able to put people on the couch learning what we do. It takes 40 minutes and they get the first, I think, 4 or 5 videos down, and that gives them a gist of what their job is gonna be. When they come out of this thing, you can see it on their face. It's like, whoa, that's not for me, or it's like, man, this is awesome. That's probably the biggest benefit as an owner for these things.
SVGU VR 3.0 includes over 40 new courses, hand detection technology, and interactive test questions right inside the goggles.
I used them last year as soon as they came out, and it's kind of a game changer. Obviously, there's a lot of benefits for it. From December to March, it's either snowmobiling, drinking beer, or sleeping on the couch. Now they can train, you know what I mean? And have them ready to go when season starts. So that's a huge benefit for us.
So how do you do a square test? What's wind damage? What's wind lift? How do I determine something's discontinued? So a new guy watching this can put these on. You know, if you're, I started in Minnesota in this business, so from November to March, you really couldn't train your sales reps till April, sometimes till April. And now with the goggles, they can get transfer on top of the roof and learn all the stuff like they're actually there.
And this is amazing. There is no reason the industry couldn't use this.